Look who's in the kitchen with me. And baby, when I tell you she's been bugging me to make what?
The Grimace shake.
Baby, when I tell you she had me going to several McDonald's and then I realized that the Grimace shake has been discontinued, so guess what?
We're going to spill the tea how to make it today.
All right, to make the Grimace shake, of course you're going to need some vanilla ice cream.
Raspberries.
Blueberries.
Whipped cream.
And some milk. That's it. All right, the first thing that needs to go in is what?
The ice cream.
Yes. You're going to need 3 scoops. Girl, can you not?
Next is blueberries.
You're going to need 1 cup of blueberries. How about my child did not like blueberries until she spent a couple days at my aunt's house in North Carolina. When I picked her up, guess what she was doing?
Picking some blueberries.
Picking blueberries off the bush, right off the bush, and eating them, child. I've been trying to get her to eat blueberries, I don't know how long. She could spend 3 days in North Carolina and my aunt got her eating them off the dang on bush. How about she tried one? What did you say?
It didn't taste good.
It didn't taste good? Where's the best blueberries at?
At Aunt Nanny's house.
Period. The next ingredient is
raspberries.
Raspberries. You need like half a cup of raspberries. And you can use frozen raspberries. We're using fresh, but you can use frozen if you want. Now you want to add half a cup of milk. I'm measuring with my heart. That looks about right. You don't have to do this, but I'm adding a little bit of blueberry food coloring. All right, now all you got to do is blend it up. Oh, it looks pretty. All right, this is our Grimace shake. We got our whipped cream on top. All right, make it rain, Maya.
Make it rain.
Here is the final product. When I tell you this is giving McDonald's Grimace shake, it looked just like it. All right, this is the Grimace shake. We're gonna do a taste test, but first,
Happy birthday, Grimace.
happy birthday, Grimace. Let's taste it and see. 10 out of 10. Spilling the sweet tea.
Approved.